Israelites demand to see God. One day the people of Israelites came to Moses and said, "You, Moses, you're telling us that there is the unique God who is everywhere and who sees all of us and whatever we do. We also wish to see him." Moses said, "Do you want to see God?" People all replied, "Yes, shan't we see our own Creator?" Moses said, "But God is too glorious to be seen by us." People said, "We believed in you and your God because we thought you could show us this God obviously." Moses rose his head and said, "My God, I do know that you can't be seen, but these people are asking me for something quite impossible." God sent him a revelation saying, "You will never see me, but look at this mountain. If it remains in its own place, then you'll be able to see me." At this moment there came a great thunder, and all Israelites died, and that great mountain was crushed into tiny pieces and was totally destroyed. Then Moses said, "Thou, the Most High, thou art glorious, and here I repent in your presence, and I shall be your first believer." Then Moses asked God to revive and resurrect his people. May they be thankful and reinforce their belief in the existence of God and the truth of his prophet Moses.